California's ban on the sale of new gasoline-powered vehicles in 2035 has been repealed. It has been voted down in the Senate by Republicans 51 to 44. Let's go into why this is the case and where we go from here, because whichever way this was going to go, whether it was going to go in favor of maintaining the law or repealing the law, this was always going to rumble on for some time, and this battle is not over yet. But this is a big blow to those who are wanting to see this law come into place in 10 years' time. So this law was originally pushed through using the Congressional Review Act and nullified a waiver granted under the Clean Air Act, something that Congress has never done in the law's 50-year history before this. California's rule was part of an aggressive plan to shift the auto market towards electric vehicles, and 11 other states intended to adopt it. Together, those states represent about 40% of auto sales in the United States. The decision marks a major victory for the oil and gas industry and a setback for climate advocates hoping to use state-level policy to push through the national market towards cleaner technologies for cars. Now, whichever way this was going to go in terms of repealing or maintaining the law, there was always going to be legal challenges off the back of it. And as it's been voted down, the Democrats are crying foul play, as now a legal battle is being prepared by them. Governor Gavin Newsom and Attorney General Rob Bonta said the state would sue Trump's administration over what they called unlawful congressional action. This is about our economy, it's about our health, it's about our global competitiveness, Newsom said. It is Donald Trump about our national security, and it's about our ability to continue to innovate and outpace competition in all areas in the globe. Now, some legal experts have argued that the Congressional Review Act should not apply to California's waivers, which only affect their own state. Republicans said that California's standards essentially are dictated by national policy, given how many automakers follow them. Of course, it is the most populous state in the United States. It accounts for just over 10% of the total population of the country. On top of this as well, the Senate has also voted to block Californian rules requiring half of new trucks sold by 2035 to be electric and limiting emissions of nitrogen oxide, a key contributor to smog. Of course, anybody who's been to LA will know about what smog can be like. All three measures passed the House earlier this year and are expected to be signed into law by President Trump. In response, Senator Alex Padilla of California placed a hold on several Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) nominees and warned of future retaliation. All bets will be off next time Democrats hold a majority, he said. But what has the industry been saying about this? What about the car makers themselves? Well, some automakers such as Ford and Honda had agreed to California's emissions standards. The industry as a whole, though, pushed against the 2035 mandate. The Alliance for Automotive Innovation said the targets were never achievable, citing infrastructure gaps and market readiness. Senator Elisa Slotkin of Michigan was the lone Democrat to vote with the Republicans, pointing to concerns from automakers in her state, of course, Michigan being the home of Motor City, Detroit. So, yeah, interesting stuff, guys, for sure. Your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think the Democrats' legal challenge will be successful, or will this law remain off the table? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, comment, subscribe as always, and have a fantastic day wherever you're in the world today, guys, and we'll see you very soon.